Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this great looking box out of Fijian Kauri and Padauk. Angled sides and a great looking handle, guys. Red interior. So come on a journey and we'll make this box right now. What a great looking box, guys, isn't it? And today we're going to make the box out of Fijian Kauri. What a great looking timber. The planks come so wide. The tree must be enormous. And African Padauk. Look at that for timber. Everyone likes Padauk. So I think these two timbers go very well together. So let's go! Just slabbing up the Fijian Kauri now. Look at the width of those boards. And over the saw to cut it roughly to size. The brother it goes an edge and through the thicknesser. End up the Fijian Kauri to about 80 mil wide, and I left it as thick as I can get it, still about 40 mil. And putting the groove in for the Padauk strips now on the dado head. I've trenched the sides and the ends with the dado head. A bit of Padauk here now. I'll cut the strips oversized and I'll just sand them up so they're a good fit inside the groove. Look at the colour of that Padauk, guys. It just pops, as I say. It really does pop, doesn't it? Look at that. And sanding them up now to fit in the grooves. And into the press that they go. Taking the strips out of the press, they come up well. I'll plane them up now, put a groove in them for the bottom, and then I'll do the miter. Come up great, guys. And putting the groove in for the bottom. Cutting the miters. Be careful. I've cut the miters. I'll put the groove in for the bottom, cut the miters, and cut the bottom. Now it's all ready to go together. We'll put it together with the masking tape method and a box clamp, like normal. Looks a bit chunky there, guys, doesn't it? And grab it up. And cutting the angles now on the saw. Careful, Dan. Grab that wedge. There you go. And cutting the ends now. The angle come out great, didn't it? Look at that. Look at that angle. And perfect miters, because they were square to begin with. And now the top looks in proportion. So we've got about a 13-14 mil lip around it, ready for the top. The base is still very chunky, but no one sees the base. So and then it looks very elegant now. Very elegant looking box. And we didn't have to do angle miters. We just done square miters. When the tray will sit in there perfectly, but that's going to be square too. Just sanding the sides of the box up now. And budding the lid. Made of Fijian Kauri too. And through the thickness there it goes. And putting the rebate in so it fits snugly into the box. And cutting the 45 miter on the top. The top's done. Come out great. Now we're going to dress it up. We'll dress it up by putting a nice handle on it. And handle to be glued on after I've sanded the buttons. And now I've made a tray just out of Fijian Kauri again to fit on the inside, and I put it together with a pin gun now. My trusty pin gun works all the time. So easy with a pin gun. There you go. All fitted. Perfect. That's the top. I'll sand the bottom down in a minute, then glue the handle on, and then we can sand and polish. We're almost done. Guys, we're finished. What a great looking angle box this is. Made of Fijian Kauri and Baduk. I put a red interior in there and a great looking handle, isn't it? Look at that handle. I'm not going to say the word yet, but I'm going to say it in a minute. I might say it about the handle. The handle pops, and so does the rest of the box, by the way. Look at that angle miters. Perfect. But they were square to begin with, weren't they? So, thanks for joining me this week, guys. And please subscribe and ring the bell. And join me next week where I probably will be making another box. Yay!